guys, today we are here with Mr. Aditya Kaul from Nonlinear Labs London, and he's one of the very unique 2000 unique glass explorers which are working with Google Glass nowadays. So here with us in New Delhi nowadays, and he's going to be here for a week now. So if you're going to catch him up real soon, you can catch the event in Gurgaon this Friday, and we're having this event at 91 Springboards here in Delhi today. So welcome, Mr. Aditya.
Thanks.
And I hope you have a good time here.
Yeah.
So can you please tell our viewers some basics about Glass and how is it being used?
Sure. So essentially, Google Glass is a wearable computer. It's got a screen here which sits right just above your right eye. So it's not in your way. So you can actually talk to people. You can do your things that you're doing, but it's just right above the right eye. And it's quite a sturdy and quite a strong device. It's got a titanium frame. It's quite bendy. It's
pretty solid.
You can run with it. You can do exercise with it. You can do all kinds of
You
stuff.
can perhaps even sleep with it. Not an
Probably,
issue, right?
maybe. It's got a touch pad on the side, and you can swipe through different menus by swiping right and left.
Okay.
There's a battery pack at the back.
Which sits very comfortably behind
Yeah,
the
it
ear,
sits
right?
behind the ear. So that's that. The device itself has got Wi-Fi in it. It's got Bluetooth, which are the basic connectivity options.
You can pair them anyways.
You can pair it with the way the glass works. It connects to your phone, and all your internet is done through the phone. Also, you can connect directly with Wi-Fi. It's also got a small bone, also called a bone transducer here. You see the glass thing here. It's written glass. It looks like a button, but it's actually a bone transducer, which it sends
Which
voice.
has a glass imprinted on it. Our
Yeah.
viewers cannot actually view it, but let me tell you, it has Glass logo on it.
Yeah.
It's pretty amazing.
It looks like a button, but it's
Yeah.
actually a microphone.
So this transducer basically, as he told, directly transmits sound to the bone here around your ear, which transmits sound.
Yeah, so you can hear things there's nothing in your ear, but you can still hear it.
Your ears are still free.
Yeah. So basically, as I said, it's a wearable computer. The basic things that you can do are, for example, I'll turn it on. I can just tap it. It turns on. It gives me a menu of things to do. So I can say, "Okay, Glass, take a picture."
And there you have it.
So there, you can't see it, but I've taken a picture of.
If Himanshu can focus on this lens prism here, which is the special.
Maybe closer if you
Yeah.
come closer.
Close-up can bring up to the users that what the display looks like actually.
Yeah, it's a small screen just above your eye. It's not impeding your vision, but after some time, you actually your eyes get used to it. So and then you kind of focus properly. And I was saying, you can take a picture, you can record a video. You can also do things like OK Glass, get directions to Saket. So right now what it's doing is connecting to Google Maps and getting directions, and it's showing me how do I reach Saket from
You
here.
can show to the users that it's also adjustable, the lens.
Yeah, the lens is adjustable depending on if you can focus whatever. So this part is adjustable. So right now it's showing me directions to Saket. So I click on it, it'll show me the route and do various things. So yeah, directions,
So
videos.
the navigation is totally based upon these gestures on the.
Yeah, it's
side.
also got GPS. I forgot to mention.
Yeah.
So it's
Okay,
got its
that
own
is great.
GPS chip, which
So we can have it live turn-by-turn navigation
Live turn
using
by turn.
maps.
Otherwise, there are lots of applications called Glassware, which are available on the Google website, which you can download. Things like New York Times, Twitter,
We saw
Facebook.
that, yeah.
Basic
And there are
apps.
pretty amazing games also based upon these sensors.
There are some games which you can use. So essentially, it's a beta device. It's not commercially available,
And
but
I
it'll
guess
probably be launched.
the company acquired it for I guess $1,600.
$1,600 is the cost of the device.
And let me tell you, Nonlinear Labs is a new hip thing starting up in London, and they're doing great stuff with wearable tech. So if you guys are interested in joining them or in getting an incubation there, or perhaps developing app for the wearable tech, then you can join
Definitely,
them.
I know. Get in touch with me. Hopefully, you'll share the details of the website.
Definitely.
I'm also hoping to start something in India as well, in Delhi. Trying to set up something similar in India, in Delhi, where we can have a space where if you have an idea for something like Google Glass or a wearable technology, you can come and we can support you. We can
That includes Android Wear and all the wearable devices out there.
Yeah.
So don't
So-
just restrict yourself to Glass.
Yeah.
the arena is open for all kinds of
Definitely.
events. So thank you, Mr.
Thank you. Thanks
Aditya, for joining us.
Thank you.
And thank you.